everyone does his work. Children, this is the second poem in the course book. And now we will do the workbook part for this poem, Everyone Does His Work. The first section here is understanding the text. The first bit A, answer the following questions. Here some questions are given and we will read the questions and write the answers for them. The first question is, what are cock and stream doing? The answer for this question is, the cock is crowing and the stream is flowing. 2. Where does green field sleep? Answer for this question is, the green field sleeps in the sun. 3. Where is ploughboy whooping? And the answer for this is, the ploughboy is whooping on the top of the bare hill. Now next, the fourth question. What are small birds doing? The answer for this question is, the small birds are twittering. 5. What is said to be seeming as defeated army? The answer for this question is, snow is said to be seemed as defeated army. So children, these are the answers for the questions. You can write these answers in the workbook. I will read the question and answers once again for you. What are cock and stream doing? The cock is crowing and the stream is flowing. 2. Where does green field sleep? The answer for this is, the green field sleeps in the sun. 3. Where is ploughboy whooping? The answer for this question is, the ploughboy is whooping on the top of the bare hill. The next question. What are small birds doing? The answer for the fourth question is, the small birds are twittering. 5. What is said to be seeming as defeated army? The answer for this question is, snow is said to be seemed as defeated army. This is about the first bit, answer the following questions. Now we will move to the second bit. The second bit B, write the ing words which you read in the poem. Children, now we have to write ing words from the poem Everyone Does His Work. We find these words, ing words, in the poem Everyone Does His Work in the course book. And the words are crowing, 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 crowing. This is an ing word from the poem. We will write some more words from the poem, the ing words. Flowing, flowing, flowing. Grazing, grazing, grazing. Raising, raising, raising. Feeding, feeding, feeding. Whooping, whooping, whooping. Sailing, sailing, sailing. Prevailing, prevailing, prevailing. So these are the ing words from the poem. We will move to the next bit. The sixth bit here is, choose any 6 nouns from the poem. Children, we have to write 6 nouns from the poem Everyone Does His Work. And these 6 nouns are cock, birds, cattle, army, hill, sun. These are the 6 nouns from the poem. Cock, birds, cattle, army, hill, sun. This is about the C bit in understanding the text. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is word search. Under word search, A. Correct the spellings of the following words. Children, here we are given 6 words, but the spelling of these words is not correct. We have to write the correct spelling of these words in the given space. 1. W-O-R-Y. The correct spelling of this word is W-O-R-R-Y, worry. 2. Cottage. The correct spelling for this word is C-O-T-T-A-G-E, cottage. 3. Delicious. This is not the correct spelling for this word. The correct spelling is D-E-L-I-C-I-O-U-S, delicious. 4. C-O-R-E-C-T, correct, but the spelling is not correct here. The correct spelling is C-O-R-R-E-C-T, correct is the correct spelling. 5. H-O-R-C-E, horse. The spelling is not correct. The correct spelling is H-O-R-S-E, horse. 6. Understood. U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-D. This is the wrong spelling. The correct spelling is U-N-D-E-R-S-T-O-O-D. This is the correct spelling. So children, these are the correct spellings for these given words. These are the wrong spellings and these are the correct spellings for these words. This is about the A bit. Now we will move to the B bit. B. Find 2 new words from the following words given below. Children, here we have 5 words and from each word we have to find 2 new words with the letters given in the each word here. With the letters in each word we have to form 2 new words. 1. Hesitation. This is the word given, hesitation, and the 2 new words are sit, station. S-I-T, sit, and S-T-A-T-I-O-N. So we have formed 2 new words from the letters given in this word. 2. Teacher. From this word the 2 new words are T, T-E-A, T-E-A, and reach, R-E-A-C-H, R-E-A-C-H, reach. 3. Scold, and the new words are cold, C-O-L-D, and old, O-L-D, O-L-D. 4. Inspector. The 2 new words are insect, I-N-S-E-C-T, I-N-S-E-C-T, and rinse, R-I-N-S-E, R-I-N-S-E, rinse. We have formed this word with the letters from this word. 5. Chatted. The 2 new words are H-A-T, hat, H-A-T, and hate, H-A-T-E, H-A-T and E. With the letters given in this word we have formed 2 new words. So these are the 2 new words formed from the given words. Hesitation, sit, station. Teacher, tea, reach. Scold, cold, old. Inspector, insect, rinse. Chatted, hat, hate. So this is about the B bit under word search. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is writing skills. A. Do you go for a morning walk? Describe the morning scene in your own words. Children, do you go for a morning walk? If so, if you go for a morning walk, you should describe the morning scene. Here you have to write about the morning scene. How does a morning look like? I will show you an example of how to write a morning scene. Description of a morning scene. A morning walk is the best exercise. The atmosphere at that time is very cool, calm, quiet and refreshing. Everything looks fresh and a cool breeze blows. Dewdrops on the grass look like pearls. The fields look charming and fresh. Birds chirp and green crops wave in the cool and fresh air. So when you go for a morning walk, this is how the atmosphere looks like. You should go for a morning walk and you write in the workbook how does a morning look like when you go for a morning walk. This is about the writing skills. Now we will move to the next section. Under writing skills we have B-bit. What do farmers do in the fields to grow the crops? So what do farmers do in the fields to grow the crops? After deciding what to grow, farmers till the land by loosening the soil and mixing in fertilizers which are nutrient rich. Then they sow seeds or plant seedlings. When the crops are growing, farmers must water, weed and kill crop pests. Once the crops are mature, the farmer will harvest them. So children, farmers after deciding what to grow, they till the land and mix the soil with fertilizers. Then they sow seeds or plant seedlings. And when the crops are growing, farmers must water, weed and kill the crop pests. When the crops are mature, the farmer will harvest them. This is what the farmers do in the fields to grow the crops. This is about the writing skills. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is life skill. Suppose you go for a trip and you have to wake up early in the morning. Then what will you do? Children, suppose you have to go for a trip and you have to wake up early in the morning, very early in the morning. Then what will you do? You will not wake up because of laziness. You will leave the laziness and get up. You will love to sleep at the time. Like I would say here you have three options. Among these three options, what you will do? You have to write on your own. You tick the box here, given three boxes. You tick the box which you would like to do. The options here, you will not wake up because of laziness. If you don't want to wake up, you can tick the first box. And the two, you will leave the laziness and get up. In the second box, if you want to get up by leaving the laziness, you tick the second box. And 3, you will love to sleep at the time. And tick the third box if you want to sleep and don't want to get up. You have to tick the third box. So this is about life skill. In this life skill, you have to tick the correct box here which you want to do. If you don't want to wake up because of laziness, tick the first box. If you want to leave the laziness and get up, then you tick the second box. If you want to sleep and don't want to get up, tick the third box. Do this activity under life skill in your workbook. So children, with this life skill section, we completed the workbook part for the poem Everyone Does His Work.